I almost got murked. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Let's Have Wheels. So today we're going to be testing out my new Fireteam. I just picked this up about a week and a half ago. I had a maiden run with this car so far. I didn't get that on video. I was super excited to get it out, so we went out, did the run. I probably expected a bit too much out of it. I pushed it really hard. So in stock form, I wasn't really able to get good rotation in the air with it. I couldn't correct as easily as I'm used to with my stretch Creighton. So, you know, we got some hard nose dives and, you know, caused some damage. But it's all good. It's all fixed up now. We're going to give it a nice blast. I geared it up a little bit. I put a 14 tooth pinion in there. And I also adjusted the punch control. Thankfully, pre-maiden voyage, I installed some aluminum tower to chassis braces. Otherwise, I can almost guarantee you this chassis would have bent the first time out. I took some pretty nice hits, and as you can see, all the red anodized aluminum stuff doesn't belong on this car. But unfortunately, those are all the parts that I bent on the first run. So got her all fixed up. I want to see how fast she's gonna go with the 14 tooth. I normally gear my bashers to do about 60 miles an hour. So that's kind of where I'm aiming at with this thing. So we're gonna hook up the GNSS to this guy, give it a quick shakedown. Parking lot's covered in salt. We had a pretty good dumping of snow over here. So it's gonna be a little sketchy, but we're gonna do it. We'll top it out and see what we get. And then we're also gonna be testing out my new ramp. I wouldn't say it's an upgrade over my home-built ramp. It's just a lot more convenient that it's able to fold up and tuck away, and it's super lightweight. Unfortunately, it is all plastic and it is cold, so I'm not sure how it's going to hold up with these temperatures, but we're going to find out, guys. Alright guys, with the GNSS up in here, app is ready to go. We're going to button her up and give her a couple of good passes and see what she does. Alright, track, start. Keep this guy here and let's head out. She's moving. All right, see what we got. Stop. Read. 54 miles an hour. Wow, it looked like it was moving better than that. We're gonna give her another go and see how she does. Track, start. All right, see what's going on. I might not be topping it out. Stop, read. Yeah, 54, guys. I think I need to bring it out a bit more, but I just don't have the room to do it here. As you can see, doing some emergency braking last minute, so we'll have to do this speed run at a different spot. But I think for now, even 54 mile an hour is pretty damn close to 60, so I'll take that for today. All right, well, I got the ramp set up, and it's set to the steepest setting right now. Gotta love that e-brake function. I thought I was gonna rip it off after the first run. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it's actually pretty fun. All right, let's see how she does. At least I got a nice cushion to land on today. Very snappy in the air now. I got a thing, I owe that to the punch settings. I got that thing jacked up. A little bit of e-brake slides. I've been messing around with different tires for this truck, guys, so far. I've tried the Qatars from Italian. I haven't driven it with the Qatars. I've also tried on the Mojave wheels. Nice save there. And they all seem to fit really nice. I really love the way the Mojave EXP wheels look on this thing. They're a lot smaller than this, but they look so good. I might try it out. It's all ice here, guys. But so far this ramp, I mean, the angle seems to be working. I pushed it into the ditch over here. I'm gonna go fix that. All right, well, quick update. This lasted a whole 3 jumps before she started to tear up. And I cleaned it with alcohol and everything and heated it before I stuck it on there. I guess it's just this cold is too much for that adhesive. We'll see how it holds up. Probably end up replacing it. I'm honestly really concerned about the longevity of this ramp, because it gets slapped pretty hard. Something just flew off. I have a feeling it's that textured tape, grip tape. Oh yeah, she ate it. That's the end of that. I don't see any pulled screws or cracked plastic yet. It's a good sign. Little e-brake. That was nice and clean. But this thing just eats. Like, look at the tracks here from the truck. It just floats right over it. I'm not sure if the GoPro is going to pick it up. But there's deep tracks, probably about 4 or 5 inches deep. It just floats right over them. I know a lot of guys not complain, but you know, one of the things they say about this truck is that the suspension is a bit soft, but I don't know. I compared it to my EXB Creighton, and I'm pretty sure my Creighton suspension is softer than this. I really like the way the suspension is on this truck. Oh, I misjudged that one by a mile. Thank God for that snow. Oh, that one sent the ramp right over. I almost got murked. Ooh, just made that. Battery's probably getting pretty low at this point. This will probably be the last send on this ramp before I run into a situation where I can't make the correction. Oh, and there's LVC. Wow, I couldn't have asked for better timing. Nice. Alright guys, this is a really important thing to me. I like to keep my rigs relatively clean. I drive them hard, but I do take care of them. And to me, the body, the fact that it covers a whole chassis is a big deal. It does still let quite a bit of stuff in. I mean, it's not like the Mojave or anything. Mojave's terrible for that. I'm gonna have to figure out a different system to keep some of the stuff out. But all in all, for its first really hard bash, I'm super happy with it. Alright guys, just gonna sum up this video. If you enjoyed the content on the Arrma Fireteam today, smash that like button. If you want to see more on the Arrma Fireteam or any other aspect of this hobby, we do a little bit of everything. We do bashing, we do crawling, we do circuit racing, we do mini Z's, we do drag racing. If you want to see any of that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. If you guys want to see anything that I haven't done, throw that in the comments below and I'll see what I can do to cover that. If you want to see something tested, also throw that in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time.